Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and the Patch Tuesday updates that occurred yesterday have fixed over several Microsoft products, 57 security flaws, and 7 0 days of fixed. So 0 days already exploited in the wild. So there are a lot of critical updates in here that need to be addressed. Out of that, there's 23 elevation of privilege vulnerabilities. There's 3 security feature bypass. There's 23 remote code execution, 4 information disclosure, 1 denial of service, and 3 spoofing vulnerabilities. So what's really important in here is those 6 security flaws that are 0 days, actively exploited, and pretty much publicly disclosed. One has to do with the Windows or the Win32 kernel subsystem, and we'll have a specific video on this because it's very interesting, the story. It's been there for a long time. A Windows NTFS information disclosure. There's a Windows FAT file system driver remote code execution. Another one, which is another Windows NTFS information disclosure. And there's a Windows, there's several actually for the NTFS system. And there's a Microsoft Management Console security feature bypass vulnerability also in there. And a remote code execution vulnerability. So it's really, really interesting. It's not, a huge Patch Tuesday for Windows, but it is huge in the sense that there's a lot of 0 days already exploited in the wild. So we're going to talk about one specific one that has a story because it's been out there since 2023. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.